Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, English with Basraj Sir. My name is Basraj. I request you, those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Well, today's lesson is about uh, some English learners find it difficult. Why we can't speak fluently English? What are the problems faced by the English learners? Let's see one by one. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೆಲವರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ, ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಗಲಿಬಿಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ practice is very essential. Without practice, nothing can be achieved. We have to practice what we have learned day by day. We have to speak with our friends, speak with our colleagues. At least nobody is there. We have to stand before the mirror and to speak onto ourselves. That is how we have to improve our fluency, gain fluency. Second question is second problem is we think it's very difficult in our mindset. That's very wrong idea. We think it is a stressful activity rather than a enjoyable activity. So we have to change our mindset and say it is an enjoyable activity. We should not think what the others say about us. We think they are making a fool of us or ridiculous. That's very bad. We must have confidence in ourselves to speak fluently. And moreover, sometimes we think we are not using advanced words. When we try to answer the questions in English, suddenly our mind becomes blank. This is because of some timidity, some kind of pride. Therefore, we have to avoid it. We have to take it easily. After all, English not a Brahma Vidya or a rocket science. It is one of the languages like thousands of, hundreds and thousands of languages in India. So, I hope you speak confidently and you use your own words. Sometimes you need not use the difficult words, and thereby you will gain knowledge, mastery over the English day by day by practicing regularly without fail. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮರೆಯದೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಬಟನ್ನ ಒತ್ತಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.